Looking for the best Orbital sanders in 2026? In this video, we review the top Orbital sanders for woodworking, furniture restoration, DIY projects, and professional finishing. We compare power, dust collection, comfort, speed control, and overall performance to help you choose the perfect sanding tool for your needs. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these Orbital sanders deliver smooth finishes and reliable performance for every workshop project. Number 3. The DeWalt DWE6423K 5-inch variable speed Orbital sander kit is a powerful and dependable tool built for both professional contractors and serious DIY users. Designed with performance and comfort in mind, this Orbital sander features a 3.0 amp motor capable of delivering 8,000 to 12,000 OPM, providing smooth and efficient sanding across a wide range of materials and applications. One of the biggest advantages of the DWE6423K is its excellent balance and reduced vibration design. DeWalt uses a separate counterweight system that minimizes hand fatigue during long sanding sessions, making the tool comfortable and easy to control. The shorter height design also allows users to work closer to the surface for improved precision and maneuverability, especially on detailed finishing projects. The variable speed control gives users flexibility for both aggressive material removal and fine finishing work. Whether sanding wood, body filler, paint, or furniture surfaces, the sander maintains smooth and consistent performance. The rubber overmold grip further improves handling and comfort during extended use. Dust collection is another strong feature of this sander. The improved dust-sealed switch helps increase durability, while the one-handed locking dust bag and vacuum compatibility help keep the workspace cleaner. It easily connects to DeWalt dust extractors and other shop vacuum systems for more efficient dust management. User reviews consistently praise the sander's durability, smooth operation, and professional quality finish. Many users appreciate its quiet performance, solid construction, and ability to handle demanding sanding jobs without overheating. Overall, the DeWalt DWE6423K is a reliable, high-performance orbital sander that delivers power, comfort, and precision for a wide range of sanding projects. Number 2. The Makita BO5041K 5-inch random orbit sander is a reliable and versatile power tool designed for both professional contractors and DIY users who want smooth, consistent sanding performance. Powered by a 3.0 amp motor, this sander delivers fast material removal while maintaining a swirl-free finish, making it ideal for woodworking, furniture refinishing, cabinetry, and home improvement projects. One of the standout features is the variable speed control dial, which allows users to adjust sanding speeds from 4,000 to 12,000 OPM depending on the application. This flexibility makes it easy to switch between aggressive stock removal and fine finishing work with excellent control and precision. The ergonomic design, including the rubberized palm grip and adjustable front handle, provides a comfortable and secure grip during extended sanding sessions, helping reduce user fatigue. The random orbit action produces smooth finishes with minimal visible sanding marks, while the compact design makes the tool easy to maneuver on flat surfaces, edges, and corners. Many users also appreciate the overall durability and consistent performance that Makita tools are known for. User reviews frequently praise the sander's professional-level results, ease of use, and comfortable handling. Contractors and DIY users alike mention excellent finishing results on cabinets, furniture, and remodeling projects. The only commonly mentioned drawback is the dust collection connection, as some users note that finding a perfect shop vacuum adapter can require extra effort. Overall, the Makita BO5041K is a dependable and high-performing random orbit sander that combines power, comfort, and precision, making it an excellent addition to any workshop or job site. Number 1. The Festool 576-339 ETS EC 150 by 5 EQ Plus Random Orbital Sander is a premium professional-grade sander built for woodworkers, craftsmen, and serious DIY users who demand outstanding performance and precision. Featuring a 6-inch sanding pad and a 5mm sanding stroke, this sander delivers fast material removal while maintaining an incredibly smooth finish on wood, furniture, and painted surfaces. One of the biggest highlights is Festool's advanced EC motor technology, which provides powerful and consistent performance even under heavy load. The sander also features stepless speed control, allowing users to adjust sanding speed for different materials and applications. Despite its strong performance, the ETS EC150x5 remains lightweight at only 2.5 pounds, making it comfortable for extended use without causing excessive fatigue. The vibration control system is another standout feature, significantly reducing vibration during operation for smoother handling and greater user comfort. Combined with excellent balance and ergonomics, the sander feels precise and easy to control. Dust collection performance is also exceptional, especially when paired with a quality dust extractor, helping keep the workspace cleaner and improving visibility while sanding. User reviews consistently praise the tool's near vibration-free operation, fast-stopping brake system, and outstanding dust collection. Many users mention that it makes long sanding sessions far more comfortable compared to standard sanders. Overall, the Festool ETS EC150x5 EQ Plus is a high-end orbital sander that delivers professional results, superior comfort, and excellent durability, making it a worthwhile investment for serious woodworking projects. Thanks for watching our best orbital sanders review in 2026. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect orbital sander for your woodworking, DIY, or professional projects. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest tool reviews and buying guides. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest uploads. Let us know in the comments which orbital sander is your favorite, and thanks again for watching.